everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headlines first. BJP behind in all 3 seats of UP, Congress get lead in Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan. Musk lost the title of the richest person. Arnold achieved the position for a while. President Murmu on a 2-day visit to Uttarakhand from today will lay the foundation stone of project. After several hours of drama, the Pakistani team got India's visa. Now it will be possible to participate in the World Cup. Now news in detail. The result of 6 assembly seats in 5 states across the country released today. Along with this, the result of the by-election held on Mainpuri Lok Sabha seat will be also come. Here, the legacy of SP Patron and late leader Mulayam Singh Yadav is at the stake. The 5 state-wide by-election are held at Rampur Sardar and the Katauli in UP, Padampur in Odisha, Sardarshar in Rajasthan, Khudani in Bihar, and Bhanupratappur assembly seat in Chhattisgarh. The threat of a cyclone storm is looming large in Tamil Nadu. The low-pressure area in the Bay of Bengal has intensified into a deep pressure and will intensify into a cyclonic storm named Mandas by Thursday evening. The effect of this storm will be on the coast of North Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and adjoining South Andhra Pradesh. It can take a formidable form in the next 48 hours. The northern coastal district of Tamil Nadu are likely to receive heavy rain for the next 3 hours. The state government had prepared its entire machinery to deal with any emergency. The Assam cabinet has approved requirement of around 10,000 government posts. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma announced this on Wednesday. He also said the cabinet has also approved reservation of top posts in the government for retired officers of the armed force to improve the work culture. After the cabinet meeting in the Guwahati, he briefed about the decision taken by the cabinet. Apart from this, 1,700 other vacant posts in the forest department will also be filled. Now some international news. Elon Musk was briefly stripped of his crown as the world's richest man. According to the Forbes real-time list of the rich, he can slip to the second position. He was replaced by 73-year-old French billionaire Bernard Arnault. Arnault is the owner of the LVMH, the parent company of the luxury brand Louis Vuitton. According to the Forbes real-time index, for a moment, Bernard Arnault's net worth had come down to $184.7 billion, and Twitter's new owner Elon Musk's net worth of $184.6 billion. After Twitter, Google, Facebook, PepsiCo, New Amazon is also going to lay off employees on a large scale. According to a report in Computer World, Amazon is planning to lay off around 20,000 employees in the coming months. The report states that the giant is looking to lay off employees from various departments, which may include distribution worker, corporate, executive, and technical staff. However, it has now come to the fore that the company may fire double the number of employees. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. President Draupadi Murmu will go on a 2-day visit to Uttarakhand on a December 8th. According to President's Secretariat, on December 8th, the President will attend a civic reception organized by the Uttarakhand government in Dehradun. She will virtually inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of various projects of Uttarakhand related to energy, education, road, transport, and urban development. On December 9th, President Lal Bahadur Shastri will address the closing ceremony of the 97th Common Foundation course at the National Academy of Administration and Mussoorie. The Manaskan corridor being built to give a new identifier to the famous pilgrimage center of the Kumaon will be connected to the Char Dham Yatra. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be called to give a new identifier to this corridor. He can stay at the Narayan Ashram located in Pithoragarh. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami will request at the Prime Minister to stay here. Talking to media person, the Chief Minister said that the Prime Minister has also a special attachment toward the border areas. Such villages villages are in the topmost priority. They have considered the last village as the first village. Now entertainment news. Ranbir Kapoor is the best actor of the Hindi cinema. He has given more than one great film, although his last film, Shamshera, flopped badly. Recently, the actor reached the Red Sheer Film Festival. The film festival is being organized in the Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, which started on 4th December and will go on 10th December. During this, he talked about his desire to become a director. Sports news. Pakistan's visually impaired cricket team is all set to participate in the ongoing Blind Cricket World Cup in India after 34 Pakistani player and official got visa clearance from the Union Home Ministry. After its approval, the Ministry of External Affairs will issue visa to Pakistani player and official to travel to India for the tournament to be held from December 5 to 17. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.